Hello dear viewers, welcome to another interesting video, and today's video is going to be so much helpful for every one of us. If you are a content writer or a website developer or something like that you want to get your hostings best hosting sites for your websites or anything like that, so you must have to watch this video complete so that you can know each and everything about it and find the best one for you, because our today's video is going to be top 10 best web hosting services that are available all around the world. So without wasting so much time, let's start the video and see some of the best web hosting sites. So the first one that comes on our list is Hostinger. It is a much popular and most famous web hosting service that is available all around the world. So let's have a quick review about it. Visit Hostinger. High quality yet very affordable, free domain and SSL, automated backups, light speed web servers and caching. Website builder is included. The number two is SiteGround. Uh, it has a innovative hosting tech, servers in 4 continents and free daily backups and strong in-house security tools. It has got 9.2 rating score out of 10. And the third one is DreamHost. It also gives you free domain and SSL, automated daily backups, free domain privacy, and WordPress oriented optimizations. And it has 8.8 score out of 10. The fourth one is GoDaddy. If you are somehow related to websites, then you must know the name of GoDaddy. Uh, it also have the same features: free domain SSL, native user interface, free backups, unmetered bandwidth, and it has 8.4 score out of 10. And the fifth one is Bluehost, has the same custom WordPress experience, free domain SSL and CDS, and modern user interface, and it also has a is 8.0 score out of 10. And the sixth one that's come on our list is HostGator, that is also native interface, free domain and SSL, unlimited storage and bandwidth, and it also has 8.0 score ratings out of 10. And the number 7 we have Interserver, same top security, classic panel, cPanels, free SSL, and automatically weekly backups. So you must when you are having any hosting, so you must have to know some these basic features like the backups, interface, cPanels, and other SSL and domains. And it has 7.8 score out of 10. And on number 8 it comes InMotion hosting, same features, and also at is 7.8 score out of 10. And on number 9 it comes Ionos, free domain and SSL, free, very low internet rates, variety. You can see all these features with green ticks, and it has 7.6 score out of 10. And on number 10 it comes Host Armada, server in 9 data centers worldwide, user friendly dashboard, free SSL certificate, 24 by 7 live server monitoring, and it has 7.4 score ratings. Thanks for watching the video, and if you are new to our channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you.